Now the whole earth had one language and the same words. And as they migrated from the east, they found a plain in the land of Shinar, and they settled there. And they said one to another, "Come, let us make bricks, and burn them thoroughly." And they had brick for stone, and slime had they for mortar. And they said, "Come, let us build us a city and a tower, whose top may reach unto heaven, and let us make us a name, lest we be scattered abroad upon the face of the whole earth." And the Lord came down to see the city and the tower, which the children of men built. And the Lord said, "Behold, the people are one, and they have all one language. And this is only the beginning of what they will do. Nothing that they propose to do will now be impossible for them. Come, let us go down, and there confuse their language, that they may not understand one another's speech." So the Lord scattered them abroad from there upon the face of all the earth, and they left off building the city. These are the records of the generations of Shem. And Shem was 90 years old, and begat Arphaxad 2 years after the flood. And Shem lived after he begat Arphaxad 500 years, and had sons and daughters. And Arphaxad lived 35 years, and begat Salah. And Arphaxad lived after he begat Salah 403 years, and had sons and daughters. And Salah lived 30 years, and begat Eber. And Salah lived after he begat Eber 403 years, and had sons and daughters. And Eber lived 65 years, and begat Peleg. And Eber lived after he begat Peleg 430 years, and had sons and daughters. And Peleg lived 30 years, and begat Reu. And Peleg lived after he begat Reu 209 years, and had sons and daughters. And Reu lived 17 years, and begat Serach. And Reu lived after he begat Serach 420 years, and had sons and daughters. And Serach lived 30 years, and begat Nar. And Serach lived after he begat Nar 403 years, and had sons and daughters. And Nar lived 29 years, and begat Terah. And Terah lived 70 years, and begat Abram, Nah, and Haran. And Haran died before his father Terah in the land of his nativity. And Abram and Nah took them wives. The name of Abram's wife was Sarah, and the name of Nahor's wife, Milcah. And Terah took Abram his son, and Lot the son of Haran, his grandson, and Sarai his daughter-in-law. And they journeyed from Ur of the Chaldees to the land of Canaan, and came to Haran, and settled there. And Abram and Nar were brothers, and Haran, their father, died in Ur of the Chaldees. Now Sarai was barren, she had no child. Amen.